Before you could even read, your brain had already decided how you would handle every dollar you will ever earn. Psychologists call it a money script, and most people never find out which one is quietly running their life. For most people, that script came from one clear memory: a parent's anxious voice over unpaid bills, a grandparent who said money was the root of every family fight, a relative who treated a bigger paycheck as proof they finally mattered. Financial psychologists have sorted those memories into 4 distinct scripts, and almost everyone is quietly running one of them without ever naming it. The first 2 scripts are opposites. Money avoidance believes money is corrupting, so it gives too much away, undercharges, and quietly sabotages its own raises. Money worship believes more money fixes everything, so it chases every raise and still never feels like enough. The other 2 are just as opposite. Money status treats your balance as your worth, spending to be seen while hiding the real numbers, even from a partner. Money vigilance saves obsessively and distrusts debt, but the anxiety about running out rarely turns off, even once the money is secure. Picture 2 people with the identical income for 15 years. One runs money avoidance, quietly undercharging and giving raises away. The other runs money vigilance, banking almost everything out of fear. Same paycheck, same years, 2 completely different bank balances. None of this is destiny. A script is just a belief that was installed early, on repeat, without your permission, which means it can be identified, questioned, and rewritten the same way it was learned. The fastest way to find yours is one honest question. Notice your very first gut reaction to a raise, a bill, or a windfall: relief, guilt, pride, or dread. That gut reaction is your script talking. Avoidance says money is dangerous. Worship says money fixes everything. Status says money proves you. Vigilance says money can vanish any second. Most people carry a blend, but one usually runs the show. Say your script out loud, to yourself or to someone you trust. That single sentence is the first rewrite. Follow at the _finance_decoded for more money, decoded in plain English.